Namaskar, friends. Welcome to Export Import Make in India campaign. And today in the session, we will understand the job role of the head supply chain. Okay, in Italian MNC company, which belong to healthcare and hospitalities in Gurgaon. Okay, so you can understand like any manufacturing company, any automobile company, any FMCG company need to import and export the same way. Hospital and healthcare company also require the equipments for the process of the hospitals. So for that job role, in this company import export, the head of supply chain required for that. Okay, so we will try to understand what actually job roles need to be performed for the job post. Okay, so job description is mentioned in the scheme. Okay, so you need to manage the order managements. Okay, like if for any hospitals need lot of the equipments for the survival and the healthcare process in hospitals. So the we need to import such product may found in the India, but sometime we need to import. So what you need to manage the order. For example, the hospital is open and you need 100 beds for the patients. So how will you manage these things? You will first try to check out that these beds are available in India or not. So beds are available in India is low cost. Then you will prefer to purchase from the India. But if not available in good conditions, there's such kind of bed, then you will try to find out the supplier of international. So international supplier, you have to place the order to the supplier. So you have to manage this order. So how you will manage this order? First, you have to negotiate the prices of per bed. Okay, then you have to get approval from your management. Then after that, you have to check out Incoterms, payment terms, delivery terms. Okay, so after the confirmation of this order, supplier will dispatch the goods and you manage this order like a you have to appoint the CH and fed forward by this working activity, and finally the goods will dispatch and receive at the hospitals. So you need to manage this whole entire process. Now inventory management. So we can understand the lot of equipments are used in daily basis in the hospitals. Okay, injections, bottles, and the lot of equipments which we don't know the name of this equipment which are consumed in the hospital daily wise. Okay, so this for this you have to manage the inventory of this equipment. Okay, so when you manage the inventory of this equipment, you have to check out where daily basis how much this equipment are being used, how many injection is have been used daily basis. So as per the historical data, you have to secure the future forecasting inventory, that at any time there should not be shortage of this equipment, because if the equipment is shortage, then the process of healthcare will may affect and it will be not good for that organization. Okay, then you have to prepare the purchase order. Okay, in case of import, you have to prepare the purchase order. Okay, and invoice management also prepare the invoice. Then equipment maintenance and repair forecasting. Okay, so how many equipments need to be maintained and repairs, you have to forecast for that. The future case, how many things need to be get okay. Okay, like you have, that big hospitals, they have a lot of equipment need to be import and export and maintain and repairs. So all the thing need to be understand. Then MIS and reporting. MIS need to be prepared like a status of the shipment, order of the shipments, okay, delivery of the shipments, then reporting, then dispatches. Okay, some cases you may also export the goods from India to other countries. So in this case, you have to dispatch the goods. Then vendor management. Okay, it may be domestic or international. You have to manage the vendors like a pricing negotiations. Okay, and efficiency of the working service level. This thing need to be analysis in vendor management process. Then team management. You also need to be manage the team, in which team you have to check out whether person are working properly or not. You have to make him understand that how to implement the process. how to handle this process, and how to document need to be prepared. Such thing need to be understand for this job. Okay, so we can understand the hospitals also the work is an import export company, not a for profit, but that the daily uses thing need to be import and export. Okay, statutory compliance, whatever the compliance and the government and custom need to be fulfilled as per requirement. Okay, so we have understand what is actually job roles and key profiles. Okay, so as per this session, I think you understand what need to be done. You have to import the goods, you have to export the goods, you manage the record, you manage the inventory, you have to process the order. Okay, and need to follow the compliance of the company. Okay, so what require profile for the job post? Person need to be MBA in the supply chain operations or an equivalent degree. Okay, this is the requirement of this. The role head logistics, supply chain management. Industries type is medical service and hospital, diagnostics. Okay, and department procurement and supply chain. Employment type full time and permanent. Role and category supply chain and logistic. Education MBA, PGDM and any specialization. Skill required for this job is highlighted with the R prefer skill. So guys, we have tried to understand the job role of for this company, and we also understand how the work is import export done in the hospital industries. So guys, we are just going to end the session here. Thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.